Hello, this is Dan from the Amazing Flameless Candle, and today I'm going to show you how to retrofit the 2.0 battery puck into your existing table lamp. It's a pretty fast and easy process, so let's go. The first step is to remove the existing 1.0 battery puck from your lamp simply by unscrewing it from the bottom of the lamp, using this little handle to do so. Once you remove the puck, you'll see the wire in the connector. You just pull it out. Be gentle when you pull this out so you don't bend any of the wiring or internal components. You can set this aside. Here's the new 2.0 battery puck, which as you see is slightly taller, and that's due to accommodate the improved electronics that are inside of this new system. All right, but it's very easy. You simply plug this back in to the connector pin. You can test it at this point to make sure it's working before you screw it in. Then very gently take the new battery puck, which is threaded, and thread it back into the existing lamp. You may have to push a little bit to get the lamp to connect with the threads, but everything will seat and then it works just fine. There is a little bit of a gap. As we mentioned, this battery puck is slightly taller, but when you set the lamp flat on the table, you don't really see the additional height. So as we see vertically, the lamp sits flat and it looks exactly like it did before. A very simple process, easy to do, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.